Okay, here's the 2008. Of course, it is the Grand Cherokee Limited Overland with recent tires and battery on it. It is fully loaded, including the factory Jeep hitch on it. And it is the 3-liter diesel. Runs beautifully, no accidents, none, zero. Took a quick peek at the interior here. Of course, it does have the DVD player. Comes with the remote control, headphones. Take a look at the interior here. Nice and clean. So yeah, if you're looking for a 3-liter Jeep Cherokee, again, it's the Overland. Nice interior. Sunroof, of course, fully loaded.